So today I'm gonna be unboxing my Oakley carbon plate matte black. So it is one of the most expensive, probably second to the most expensive eyeglasses frame made by Oakley's. So I bought it around 325 euros. So yeah, it's quite expensive, but I always buy quality frames for my glasses because yeah, it's very important to you can see, and it's durable when you sleep and then when you turn around. So without further ado, so I'm gonna show you the Oakley carbon plate 55 matte black. So as you can see, it has a different box. Normally with Oakley's, it doesn't come with this box, so it's very unique. So when we open it, so there's a magnet in front. So there is the normal box for the Oakley. So I bought it online. So as you can see, there is the code here also. So that's it. So then we remove the eyeglasses frame. So it's really nice. So that's it. There you go. Hope you can see it right. So it is inside the pouch. So mostly Oakley original frames do come with this one and this one, this case. If it comes with another case, then you should ask if it's authentic or not. But mostly I've bought authentic eyeglasses frames. It comes really with this one. I have bought a lot, but not with this one. It's my first time to experience this. This is a titanium version carbon plate, so it's very light. You cannot, it's like you are not wearing glasses. So here it is. So as you can see, it's very nice. So look at that. So that's the side carbon. Okay, and the other side. So it's really nice. It's really light. So if you have more questions regarding this, yes, I bought this for 325 euros, and the lens cost around cost 375 euros. So this is a 700 euro eyeglasses. So I spend a lot, yeah, for my eyeglasses because I think it's important and I like it. Yeah, I'm planning to have like maybe a laser soon, but for the meantime I really love eyeglasses. So, and this is very durable. So I think there are a few videos. So this is a transition lens with very super anti-glare. So it's very nice also for driving. It is a blue light. The lens is also has a blue light protection. It is made from Essilor. So most of my eyeglasses are made, the lenses are made from Essilor. So I guess that's it. Oh, look at that. It's very nice. You can see the detail. So it's matte black. And also here. So thanks guys for watching. Enjoy.